So the error that we were having with this one section basically is actually from station 15 on, and now you can see I resolved it. But what was happening was that when we defined this offset slope for the pavement, we actually gave it a code for lane edge, and it's really not the lane edge. So we want to make sure that's undefined. So when we built this originally in this section, we made that lane edge, and you want to make sure that it's defined as undefined and not the lane edge, because the lane edge is only the top, should be the top instruction. So once we change that and hit save, it's fixed that error in that location. Okay, so a couple other errors that you may want to look at once you do that is, you can see we've got some flags now, because remember our surface for our road is tied into our overall site. So down here where these flags are, what happened was when we went in, we made adjustments to our typical section, it pushed out or brought in our daylight. So what we want to do is take this line and probably break it back here and over here, create a new surface edge boundary and redefine those boundaries, and we want to redefine those in the overall site as well. So that's something that you can do. We're not going to take care of that right now, just for instructional purposes. We're going to leave it the way it is, because what we're most interested in right now is just determining the materials for the road surface, and that's not going to affect us right now. That'll affect our overall site information, but for right now we're just going to concentrate on the road. So we'll go ahead and show you the reporting and creating the subgrade and the other surfaces for the road.